Let's solve some more problems. Now guys, in this question is asking 4 gram of hydrogen on reaction with 32 gram of oxygen gives 36 gram of water. This illustrates. So the law of chemical combinations are given to you in the options. The option number 1 is law of definite proportion. Option number 2 is law of multiple proportion. Option number 3 is law of conservation of mass. And option number 4 is all of these. Right? So how you will check in less period of time? So let me give you one trick. The solution of this question will be first option is law of definite proportion. Definite proportion is for single compound. This cannot be the answer. Second option, law of multiple proportion. In multiple proportion, we have already studied there should be two elements, only two elements, which should make different number of compounds. Law of conservation of mass. This can be answer, but we have to check. So first we have to write the answer. Let us write the chemical equation. Twice H2 plus O2 gives twice H2O. Now how much hydrogen is given to us? 4 gram. Oxygen is 32 grams. And how much water is forming? And it is forming 36 grams. So we know that 4 plus 32 is equal to 36. So definitely the law of conservation of mass, third is our answer. So the answer is 3. Let's solve the next question. Now in this question is given the percentage of hydrogen in water obtained from a lake, a well, a river is 11.11%. This illustrates. Now again we have to check all the options. First option is law of definite proportion. Now there is only a single compound, so that should be the answer, but we have to eliminate the others also. Law of multiple proportion. Multiple proportion is given for two elements forming two or more compounds. So there is only one compound, that is water, right? Law of conservation of mass is applicable when there is a chemical reaction is given. So there is no chemical reaction given in this question, therefore this will be our answer. So our answer is the first option, right? Let's solve another question. In this question is asking nitrogen forms N2O, NO2 and NO. This illustrates, again there are two elements, nitrogen and oxygen, and they are forming various compounds. Which law is illustrated here? Law of multiple proportion. Therefore law of definite proportion, this is not our answer, this is our answer. Law of conservation of mass, a chemical reaction should be given to you, reactants and products should be given to you, that's why this can't be our answer. So our answer is second, right? So we will solve these kind of problems in this manner. Let's solve some more questions.